Welcome back friends. Previously we learned how to find the solution of equation. Equation solution કેવી રીતે find કરવાનું એ આપણે learn કર્યું. In that method what we have to do if the number is in addition you need to subtract that number both side. If number is in a subtraction then add that number on both side. If the number is in division then multiply, and if the number is in multiplication then divide that number both side to remove the number from with the variable. જે નંબર વેરીએબલ સાથે હોય એને રિમૂવ કરવા માટે શું કરીએ આપણે ઇન્વર્સ ફંક્શન એપ્લાય કરીએ. એડિશન become subtraction, subtraction become addition, multiplication become division, and division become multiplication. So here we will start exercise 4.2. Question number 1. Give the first step you will use to separate the variable and find and then solve the equation. So here what will be the first step? Here variable is x. We need to separate the variable from the constant. X is a variable and 1 is a constant. So 1 ને remove કરવું હોય તો શું કરવું પડે? Here 1 is in a subtraction, so we need to add 1 both sides. So what will be first step? Add 1 both sides. So if we add 1 both sides, x minus 1 plus 1, 0 plus 1. So it is x. 1 minus 1 plus 1 cancels, so x is equal to 1. So this is the solution of equation. It is a solution of equation that you have to check. So put the value of x in equation. Here if you write 1, 1 minus 1 is 0. So yes, it is true value. Okay, your answer is correct. Now x plus 1 is equal to 0. So what will be first step? Subtract 1 both sides. Subtract 1 both sides. X plus 1 minus 1 is equal to 0 minus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 cancels, so x is equal to minus 1. 0 minus 1 is minus 1, so x is equal to minus 1. If you write x is equal to minus 1 here, so minus 1 plus 1 is 0. It means your answer is correct. Now third question, x minus 1 is equal to 5. So here you need to remove this 1 by adding 1 both sides. So add 1 both sides. So what will be your step? X minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 5 plus 1. So minus 1 plus 1 will be cancelled out. So x is equal to 6. Your answer is correct or not? You can check by writing instead of x here 6. 6 minus 1 is 5. So your answer is correct. Again next one is x plus 6 is equal to 2. Now here plus 6 is there, means you need to subtract 6 both sides. So what will be step? Subtract 6 both sides. So you can write x plus 6 minus 6 is equal to 2 minus 6. Plus 6 minus 6 cancel x. Now 2 minus 6 is minus 4. If you write here minus 4, then minus 4 plus 6 is 2. So your answer is correct. Clear? This way you can check your answer. Now fifth one, y minus 4 is equal to minus 7. So here 4 is in a subtraction. To remove 4 you need to add 4 both sides. Add 4 both sides. So we have y minus 4 plus 4 is equal to minus 7 plus 4. Minus 4 plus 4 will be cancelled. So y is equal to minus 7 plus 4 is minus 3. Now if you write minus y instead of minus y minus 3 in the equation, here if it is minus 3 then minus 3 minus 4 is minus 7. So your answer is correct. Y minus 4 is equal to 4. To remove this 4 we need to add 4 both sides. Add 4 both sides. So y minus 4 plus 4 is equal to 4 plus 4. Minus 4 plus 4 cancels, so y is equal to 8. If you write 8 here, then 8 minus 4 is same. Question number 7 and 8 will be in your homework that you need to try by yourself. Now question number 2. Give the first step to separate the variable and then solve the equation. This is same same as the question number 1. But here the numbers are in a multiplication. In the first example, numbers are in addition or subtraction. Means we are performing the inverse of addition and subtraction. Here the numbers are in multiplication and division. So 3l is equal to 40. Now 3 is in a multiplication. To remove 3, we need to divide 3 both sides. So we can write divide by 3 both sides. If we divide, we will get 3l by 3 is equal to 40 by 3. So 3 cancel, l is equal to 40. If you want to check your answer, then write the value of 40 instead of value 40 that is 40. Now next one, here 2 is in a divide, so what we need to do? Multiply to both sides. So here b by 2 multiply 2 is equal to 6 plus 6 multiply 2 cancels, b is equal to 12. If you want to check your answer, write instead of b 12. 2 6 are 12, so here will be 6. That is your answer. Now next, p by 7 is equal to 4. What we need to find? P means we need to remove this 7. 7 is in a division, so multiply 7 both sides. So if you multiply 7, 7 cancel, so we get p is equal to 28. Again you can check your answer. If you get 28 here, 7 4s are 28. Now next one, 4x is equal to 25. What we need to find? X. We need to remove this 4. 4 is in a multiplication, so divide by 4 both sides. So it is 4x by 4 is equal to 25 by 4. 4 cancel, 25 by 4 is not divisible, so we need to write as it is. X is equal to 25 by 4. If you write value of x here 25 by 4, then 4 cancel and answer is 25. 8y is equal to 36. You need to find y. Need to remove 8 by dividing. Divide by 8 both sides. 8y by 8 is equal to 36 by 8. 8 cancels, so y is equal to 36 by 8. You can cut the common factor here. So it is 9 by 2. You can check your answer if you write 9 by 2 here. Okay, Anya. So you will get 36. Means your answer is correct. Clear? Now next one. Z by 3 is equal to 5 by 4. Here you need to remove this 3 and that is in a division. So multiply 3 both sides. Z by 3 multiply 3 is equal to 5 by 4 multiply 2. 3 cancels, so Z is equal to 5 is a 15 by 4. Again next one, A by 5 is equal to 7 by 15. We need to remove this 5, so multiply 5 both sides. So we have A by 5 multiply 5 is equal to 7 by 15 multiply 5. Here you can cut 5. You can cut the common factor here. 5 3s. So A is equal to 7 by 3. Now next one, 20t is equal to minus 10. What we need to do? We need to remove this 20 that is in a multiplication. So divide by 20 both sides. So we get 20t by 20 is equal to minus 10 divided by 20. 20 will be cancelled. So t is equal to, here 0 0 cancel, minus 1 by. So this will be your answer. Now question number 3. Give the steps you will use to separate the variable and then solve equation. What you need to do? Give the step you will use to separate the variable and then solve the equation. So here first equation 3n minus 2 is equal to 46. I already explained that wherever there is addition and subtraction, multiplication are in equation, then first of all separate this variable by adding the numbers and then dividing the numbers. जो मल्टीप्लिकेशन, डिविजन, एडिशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन બધું સાથે હોય તો એડિશન સબ્ટ્રैक्शन વાળું પહેલા પરફોર્મ કરવાનું, then you can perform the multiplication and division. So here minus 2 is there. To remove this minus 2 we need to add to both sides. So step 1, so you will get 3n minus 2 plus 2 is equal to 46 plus 2. That is 3n minus 2 plus 2 cancel 40. Now and 3 is in multiplication, so next step will be divide by 3. Both sides, so 3n by 3 is equal to 48 by 3. 3 cancels, so n is equal to 16. If you want to check your answer, then instead of n you can write 16 here. So 16 3s are 48 minus 2 46 means your answer is correct. જો તમારે આન્સર ચેક કરવો હોય તો જે પણ આન્સર આવે એની વેલ્યુ ઇક્વેશનમાં વેરિયેબલની જગ્યાએ મૂકવાની અને પછી રાઈટ હેન્ડ સાઈડ આવે છે કે નહીં that you need to check. Now for next one, 5n plus 7 is equal to 70. So first of all we remove this 7 by subtract 7. Subtract 7 both sides. So 5n plus 7 minus 7 is equal to 17 minus 7. 5n plus 7 minus 7 cancel, 17 minus 7 is 10. Now we need to remove this 5, that is in a multiplication. So divide by 5 both sides. That is 5n by 5 is equal to 10 by 5. You can remove this 5, n is equal to 2. If you want to check your answer, then you need to write value of 2 here. 5 is 10, 10 plus 7, 70. So your answer is correct. Now next one, 20p divide 3 is equal to 40. Now here 20 is in multiplication and 3 is in a divide. So we first remove 3 by multiply 3 both sides. 20p by 3 multiply 3 is equal to 40 multiply 3. 3 cancel. 20p is equal to 1. Now we need to remove this 20. So divide by 20. So you will get 20p by 20 is equal to 120 by 20. You can cancel this 20. 6 20s are. So p is equal to 6. If you want to check your answer, then instead of p you can write 6. 26 are 120 by 3. If you divide 120 by 3, you will get 40. Means your answer is correct. Okay. અહીંયા મેં પહેલા મલ્ટીપ્લાય કર્યું છે 3 પછી ડિવાઇડ કર્યું છે. Whenever there is a multiplication and division with variable, then you can perform any operation first. Instead of multiplying 3 first, you can write divide by 20 both sides. આ સ્ટેપ તમે પહેલા પહેલા લખી શકો ડિવિઝન મલ્ટિપ્લિકેશનમાં ચાલે બટ એડિશન અને મલ્ટિપ્લિકેશન હોય ત્યારે તમારે ફર્સ્ટ રિમૂવ number that is in addition and then remove the number that is in a multiplication. But here you can apply any operation first. તમે આ સ્ટેપ પહેલા લખો તો પણ ચાલે. Same here અહીંયા 10 છે ડિવાઇડમાં તો પહેલા મલ્ટીપ્લાય બાય 10 કરું કાં તો પછી 3 ડિવાઇડ કરું. Both will give correct answer. So here 10 is in multiply divide so multiply 10 both sides. So 3p by 10 multiply 10 is equal to 6 multiply 10. 10 cancel. 3p is equal to 6. Now next step will be 3 is in multiplication. So divide by 3 both sides. 3p by 3 is equal to 60 by 3. 3 cancel. 20. So p is equal to 20. You can check your answer by writing 20 here. So 3 20s are 60 divided 10 gives 6.